Every action a contact takes is an opportunity to respond in a timely manner. Instead of tracking everything manually, you can set up automated flows in SendPulse's Automation 360 that are triggered by events related to a contact in your CRM. This allows you to automate the handling of new leads, react to changes in a contact card, and initiate communication without a manager's intervention. You can create these flows in the CRM section on the contacts page by clicking the chain link icon, or in the automation section by clicking Create a new flow. You can choose a visual builder or create a flow from a template. Go to Flow options and fill in the fields: flow name, sender's name and email, unsubscribe page, unsubscribe form language, and other options. Then click Apply. You'll see several trigger options for launching a flow based on a contact. New contact launches the flow when a new contact is added to the CRM contact's specific date, for a birthday or other important event. Tag assignment when a tag is assigned to a contact in the CRM, and variable update. You can also use an event from another service as a trigger and manage contact data in the CRM when that event occurs. Plan your flow scenario and add the necessary elements, connecting them one after another. A list of all available elements is in the left-hand side panel. Add an action element to manage data for your subscribers, contacts, and students in your courses. Available actions for the CRM include create a deal, contact, or task, and update deal stage. Add an element to send a message through various channels, such as email, Viber, SMS, push notifications, and Messenger. Then, launch the flow. Once you've finished configuring the flow, click Save and Launch in the top right corner of the builder. As soon as the corresponding trigger appears in your CRM, the user will receive a message. Automating actions based on your contacts is a great way to ensure you don't lose any leads, can respond to changes quickly, and maintain consistent communication. The result: your team spends less time on routine tasks, clients receive fast responses and actions, and your entire CRM system works in sync with automation. In the next lesson, we will talk about how to work with a team in SendPulse CRM.